on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making copycat McDonald's chicken nuggets. The ingredients that we're going to need today are vegetable oil for frying. For our nuggets, we're going to need 1 pound of ground chicken, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1 large egg, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. For our batter, we're going to need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Okay guys, I'm going to be using a food processor. I'm going to add in my ground chicken. We're using a food processor because you want your chicken to be like a paste. Okay, now I'm going to add in my egg and my salt and also my pepper. Okay, now I'm just going to pulse it until it's smooth and paste-like. Okay guys, this is the texture that you're looking for. Okay guys, so here is our chicken. And you want to get a small bowl of water, and you want to also line a baking sheet with parchment paper. You want the water so you can wet your hands, so you can form your nuggets, so it doesn't be sticky. So once you form your nuggets, we're going to place them onto our baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Okay guys, just do the best you can when you form your nuggets. Okay, these are what our nuggets look like. So now we're going to take each of our nuggets and we're going to place it into our cornstarch, and we're just going to coat them. And we're going to place them back onto our baking sheet. Once all your nuggets are coated in the cornstarch, we're going to place them into our freezer for 30 minutes or up to 2 hours so they can get firm. Okay guys, now we're going to make our batter. I have a bowl and I put my strainer over top. I'm just going to add my flour in it. My garlic powder. My onion powder, salt, and pepper. I'm just going to sift it into the bowl. You want everything to be nice and smooth, and not to have any lumps. Now I'm going to add my egg and also my water. I'm going to whisk it together until it's well combined and nice and smooth. Okay, I have my nuggets out of the freezer. As you can see, they're nice and firm. I have my oil heating up. You want it to be 350 degrees. So now I'm going to take one of my nuggets and place it into the batter. You want to make sure it's coated real good. And then you're going to let all excess batter drip off. Then we're going to place it into our oil. and let them fry 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, we're only frying them 2 to 3 minutes. We're not letting them cook all the way through yet. We're going to double fry them. Okay guys, these are the nuggets after the first fry, the first 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to put them back in and fry them another 2 to 3 minutes to get a nice darker golden color. Okay, this is the second time I'm frying them. Another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our copycat McDonald's chicken nuggets. You can eat them with your favorite sauce. I have barbecue sauce and ranch. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?